Guys, good morning, everyone. My name is Lieutenant Parvinder Kumar, and I am the Managing Director of Colonel's Career Launcher, that is CCL. One of the important verticals of CCL is CCL tutorials. I'm making this video, it's a very short video, maybe 6 minutes or so, in which I just want to share with you people as to how it is so easy to teach maths to kids. I've seen many parents and students being very apprehensive of maths, being very scared of maths. It doesn't have to be that way. Maths is a very interesting subject if it is taught properly. I will just see a few tricks. So many times it has happened when a student comes to me, maybe class 6th or 7th, or sometime even 8th students have done these mistakes. I ask them, what will be minus 7 and minus 10? That is, the answer is 17 or plus 17. Some of the students will say plus 17, which is the wrong answer. No. Then I ask these students, why did you put a plus mark here or made it a positive integer? They'll simply say, sir, हमें मैम ने यही बताया कि minus minus plus हो जाएगा. What the teacher probably said was, when both the numbers are negative number, they will add up. But the language which is used has confused the child. So from here, I'm going to start my first Guru Mantra. Whenever I give a Guru Mantra or a very, very deep meaning or a very important concept to the kids, I call it Guru Mantra and I put a lightning sound here. Right. So first Guru Mantra, we'll start. Where does the sign of a number lie? Does it lie on the left or right? Now 7 has a sign this one or this one. It could have been plus also. So I tell my students, as you walk on road, you walk or drive, your side is on the left. Your side is on the left of you. Similarly, sign of any number or even variables, but we will not talk about it. Let's keep it simple. Any number is on the left. So this is very easy to understand. Let us say I have the following numbers: minus 8, plus 15, minus 16, minus 18, plus 19. Somebody tells me, what is the sign of 16? So naturally, I'll go to the left. I'll go to the left and say this is negative sign. So this is how it's very easy to tell the students. The sign is always on the left. Like, do you walk on the road or drive on the road? Your side is on the left. So the number of a sign of a number is on the left. Second Guru Mantra. When you do addition or subtraction problems, remember just two things, just two rules. What are these rules? Let's see. First rule is, same sign numbers or same signs means add up and put common sign. Add up and put common sign. So, for example, somebody has given me 7, that is plus and plus 12. This sign is plus, this sign is plus. So I'll simply add the numbers. It will become 19 and I'll put a common sign. What about negative numbers? Let's say I have minus 7 and minus 12. So yes, I'll add up the numbers. It will become 19, but I'll put the common sign. And what is the common sign? Negative sign. Right. What will happen if the signs are different or opposite? So opposite signs, what you should do? Subtract. Subtract and put sign of bigger number. Now, in case of integers, negative numbers have a different connotation, but I'm not going into that now. Right now, let me just focus on the simple concept. Okay. So now I have got, let's say, minus 7 and plus 12. Now this sign is negative sign, this is a positive sign. So subtract the numbers. 12 minus 7 will give you 5. And put the number sign of the larger number, which in this case is 12. 12 sign is plus, so I'll put plus. This is my answer. What happens? Let's say if I have minus, I have I have 7, that is to say plus 7, and minus 12. What will happen? Again, I'll subtract. I'll get 5. But what sign do I put? I will put the sign of 12, which is a larger number. So it is as simple as that. Same signs add up, put common sign. Opposite sign subtract, put the sign of bigger number. And my third Guru Mantra is regarding the brackets. Now, so I've seen students having a lot of problem in opening the brackets. So I always say, this is how I talk to my students, that Baba Bodamas, I call it Baba Bodamas, has ordered and made a rule that before you solve anything, you first solve the bracket. Right. So let us take an example here. Minus 7 plus 8 minus 15. Before I go ahead, I have to remove this bracket. Now there are two scenarios, two cases. One, sign before bracket is. Like I said, two scenarios. Sign before bracket is scenario 1, plus or positive. Now in such case, what happens is, just like I always give an example. Then in the class there are two types of students: a good student and bad students, naughty students. So when the teacher gets angry with the good student, says, "Get out of my class," he quietly picks up his bag and leaves the class without disturbing anybody. So this is what happens in the case of positive sign. He is a good boy. He will simply pick up himself and his bag and other things and move out. So it will go leaving the numbers with their signs. So let's say 8 is without a sign, so it is obviously positive sign. So plus 8 and minus 15. And now I solve it as per this. First solve these two and then remain. What happens in case of a negative sign? Negative sign is the naughty boy or girl, whatever you prefer. What it will do is, before leaving the class, it will disturb somebody, it'll push down somebody's bag, throw down somebody's geometry box or lunch box, something he will do, some mischief. Okay. In this case, what negative does is it will change the signs of the numbers which are inside before going. So let us say you have here -7 -8 -15. Same thing. What is written here? Now, when the negative goes and takes his bag and other things with him, it will change the signs inside. So when I open the bracket, the naughty boy has now changed. This was plus, it is now minus, and this was minus, this is plus. And normally we'll solve this question like we have solved this. So like, so -7 plus 8 will become 1 minus 15, and again we using the same rule, we will find -14 here. In this case, what will happen? See, so -7 and -8 are the same sign, so they'll add up and have the common sign of minus, negative, and plus 15. The answer is 0. So these are the basic tricks. Like there are so many. I teach higher classes also, and same there also, like 9th, 10th also. I try to give them some trick to remember. And trick is not a quick trick; it is a basic concept which is taught, so that they don't make any mistakes. Right. I had promised you, I think 7 minutes. I'm already reaching more than that. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video.